Kulezi nsuku ezedlule njengoba bekutestifya u-Advocate Andrea Johnson, also known as Winnie Mandela, lapha kwiMadlanga Commission, igama lika-Fadil Adams livele kaningi ngoba kwazi kwethu besazi ukuthi u-Adams nguyena owafaka isection 27 wavula icala lapho wafaka i-complaint kwi-IDEC ukuze kugcine kuholele ekuthenini kuboshwe uGeneral Khumalo kanye nabanye ogeneral laba aboshwe nawo. Kodwa okuvelile kwi-commission ukuthi i-office kaMinister uSenzo Mchunu, uCedric Nkabinde obeka u-Chief of Staff, mhlambe ngokuyalelwa uMinister okuyena owasubmitha isection 27 kwi-IDEC. Emveni kwalapho bathola ukuthi akunabufakazi obanele obungenza ukuthi bangaze kuthiwa kunecase abayilandelayo. Base ke bona abe-IDEC kwaba yibona aba-approacha uFadil Adams base bethi akenze isection 27. Sikuzwile ke lokho kwi-commission ukuthi cha kuphambene nendlela okwenziwa ngayo izinto. Ngakho ke uFadil Adams akathule naye. Uyakhuluma ngempela akathule njengoba elobe iqhubeka le commission. Ukhulume kanje.
Watch Madlanga, I'm waiting on my invite. Watch Madlanga. You remember, before I went to the ad hoc committee, it was essentially mostly people that I would stand in solidarity with, black people that were gunning me. You're gonna see at the ad hoc. You're gonna see at the ad hoc. And then I turned the fucking ad hoc upside down and then you went quiet. Here's your second turn. Bring Madlanga. Those are the finest legal minds in the country. Bring Madlanga. Tell him Fadil Adams is waiting. Tell him that out there in the Cape Flats, there exists that rare animal. That thing that does not know fear. That thing that will stare down the PKTT and say, Futsak. It exists. It actually lives. Now, just because everybody bought that con man stunt on the 6th of June last year, I want you to know some of us still think. And as deep as they scratched into section 27 at Madlanga, and even I was thinking, what the fuck? Here's the truth. Massive crime was committed. Tens of millions were stolen. And stupid people are acting like cheerleaders. But those same stupid people complain about crime and a lack of service delivery. And then it gets worse than that. It actually gets worse than that. How many of us have seen murderers and thieves and things run away, get out of jail, have cases thrown out because of a technicality, then we moan. But when it happens at a certain commission, then you want to applaud it because it comes down to skin color, doesn't it? The fact is that it was a colored boy and a handful of Indian people, and some of them have doubts about certain people, that turned the South African police service on its head. And that's the part a lot of people can't fit, and that is a real sadness. It is a real sadness.
Steve Biko madoda. Uthi nguyena kuphela owatshela iPKTT ukuthi Futsek ngoba kanalo uvalo. Angikholwa mina personal ukuthi uzokumela imibuzo ezovela lapha kwi-commission. Kube nguye ngabe ngithule ngilungisa istatement sami ngoba imibuzo ezovela kwi-commission. And okunye funa singakukhohlwa, i-commission la akhuluma ngayo nathi ufuna ukuya kuyo ayifani ne-ad hoc committee. Akukho la azokhuluma khona into angafaki ubufakazi. Ngoba sambona phela ethula ubufakazi bakhe lapha ku-ad hoc committee. Uyafana nomuntu owayengayanga. Yazi phakathi kwakhe nomuntu owayengayanga ku-ad hoc committee awukho umehluko. Ngoba azange abasize ngalutho. Wakhuluma ngama-allegations kodwa makufuneke alethi evidence azange azayilethe. So waxabana no Xolanqola oyi-member of parliament. Baxabana ngempela ngoba engaphenduli imibuzo. Manje kwi-commission uzolunga kanjani? Asazi ke kodwa uyazithemba. Kodwa ke yena useyijikile yonke le nkulumo. It's about race manje. It's no longer about i-procedure ngoba into ekhulunywa lapha kuMadlanga kukhulunywa about race, akhulunywanga ngamakhaladi, akhulunywanga ngama-Indian, kukhulunywe ngokuthi i-section 27 ifakwa kanjani, ifakwa ubani, imiphi imigudu elandeliwe. Futhi-ke i-IDEC inesipho, inesiphiwo esikhulu, idlula uNkulunkulu. I-IDEC idlula uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uma bekhuluma abantu bathi wazi konke, kodwa uNkulunkulu angikholwa ukuthi angakujezisela isono sazosenza. I-IDEC-ke uGeneral Khumalo no Brigadier Dineo Makwele babachajele ama-case abasazowenza, the mighty IDEC edlula ngisho uNkulunkulu.
Do you have any evidence of the members, the PKT members that were staying at the hotel that you mentioned, that's paying 10,000 Rand instead of 1,000 Rand? Do you have any evidence?
What do you think the oyster box in Umhlanga costs?
I'm asking you, you made an allegation and you said that
It
there are
has been-
PKT members staying. This was at your previous, when you came here and you testified.
It has been confirmed that the PKT stays at either Umhlanga Rocks or the oyster box in KZN.
No.
We
We
call,
can't say, I'm saying specifically, you mentioned the
But you're
hotel
not
that they
letting
are
me talk.
staying.
can I talk?
But you are derailing, Mr. Adams.
No, I'm trying to get to my point, Honorable James. You speak for 5 minutes, you want me to respond in 5 seconds. Can the math, please? Please.
Honorable Adams, you're not going to eat into my time.
But I'm not eating you.
I'm really
You
being
eat-
very patient with you.
No,
Honorable
no, no,
Adams, I put it to you
no,
that
no,
the
no.
last
You're
time,
not going to talk to me like I'm Kat Matlala.
Oh,
Sorry,
oh,
because Fadil Adams go.
Whoa,
Because
whoa,
Fadil
whoa,
Adams
whoa.
go. There's a difference here.
Eh.
There's a difference here. You're not going to go screaming.
Whoa.
Because I'm going to.
Whoa.
so I'm not sure why you're
Honorable-
so defensive today.
Honorable James and
I'm
Honorable
asking
Adam.
you why, because I'm trying to get
There
you
you
a
go
set
screaming
of
again.
questions,
No.
refusing to answer.
Honorable James. Wait,
The only woman that screams at me is the one I sleep with.
Wait.
You should get that out.
Not screaming at you.
wait.
Simple questions. Unayi evidence na to substantiate into ishilo wena ukuthi balala kuma-hotel expensive, oyster box? Into ebefuna isho yena uthi yes, I've got evidence, nansi proof, or no, anginayi proof. Hayi lento ayibange. Manje mawucabanga lo muntu ophendula kanje uzolunga kwi-commission. Uzolunga. Ngikhumbula kwi-commission uSullivan Polo 7 of Rempa wamtshela u-commissioner Balo wathi no. Polo Sullivan, it's late in the day. Phendula into ebuziwe. Ngoba lapha kunjalo. Futhi kuyisifiso sami ukuthi sengathi i-evidence kaFadil Adams engalidwa advocate uChaska Sin. Isifiso sami nje leso. Ukuthi nje sengathi evidence yakhe ngalidwa u-advocate uChaska Sin. Angazi kungenzeka kanjani. ILadams ukhulume nenye le radio station, ngizokucaphunela i-audio yakhona manje. Uzwe ukuthi utheni khona.
I'm definitely going to Madanga. As a matter of fact, I'm drafting my submissions this week, and then I will request an opportunity to come. You see, my name has been dragged through the mud. I've been accused of being part of cartels. I've been accused of being handled by Firoz Khan. I've been accused of colluding with IDAC, but not an ounce of proof has been brought. Not 1 ounce. As a matter of fact, the ad hoc committee in the preliminary report has made it clear that I'm not guilty of any offense in their view. Out of all the mud thrown at me at the ad hoc, because they might as well have called that the Fadil Adams Commission, because my name was raised in every second sentence.
Yeah, that was
What
only,
conclusion did they
but
come
to be fair, that was only in one session. And in that one session, Fadil, and let me put it to you, right? That at the moment, it seems that there are two factions in the police that are fighting each other. The one faction, from the evidence that was led at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry just a couple of days ago, that evidence seems to suggest that this unit, IDAC, I'm sorry to say, they do seem rogue in the way that they've handled some of these allegations and the way they've conducted themselves. Andrea Johnson's proximity to Feroz Khan and where these allegations come from, and I'm not going to go through every single bit of detail because we simply don't have the time to do that. But the song that you are singing and the chorus and tune that they are singing seem very similar, and it does seem to suggest that you were doing their bidding.
So let me put it to you as it is. I saw evidence with my own eyes. I handed that evidence to the authorities. That's the only song that I'm singing. The fact that the authorities have investigated those claims and appear to validate those claims does not mean that we're singing any song. I'm telling you that unfortunately, what I know has to wait for court. But there's no relationship between myself and Ida. I never knew these people until I issued them with my statement. Those are the facts. And as far as the factions in SAPS are concerned, these factions have been around for the last 30 years. I've only become an MP 2 years ago. How do I become central to the factions in that time? No, not even. It's in a year because it's a year ago that I laid those cases. I've got no part in the factions in SAPS. As a matter of fact, I believe it's a battle between bad and worse.
Cela ukuzuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani njengoba usumzuleka uFadila Adams esho ukuthi yena uready. Ulindele nje ithuba lakhe manje ubhala ama submissions wakhe wenzela ukuthi mayifika kwi-commission afika kwazi ukusitshela wonke amaqiniso. Yabona nje inkinga yokuqala ukuthi ifuneka achaze ukuthi la maphepha owatholaphi ngoba akusilona iqiniso ukuthi la maphepha lawa wavele nje ukhona umuntu wavula wafaka phansi komnyango wakhe angelela kulona iqiniso. Hayi lelo nje akulona iqiniso akufanelanga sesize sikholwe lonto leyo. Ngicela ukuyibamba ke le video ungasupporta kuba imember le channel. Ungasupporta futhi ngokusidonatela noma ngamalini. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwi-video landelayo ngiyabonga kakhulu.